Alrighty, YouTubers, we are back again for this Saturday. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you could get one at low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer. Look who's back. We got the Geico guy. See, savings, greetings. And let's see what's inside this one. So hope everyone had a good week. Everybody is safe. And we made it. Year is going almost over. It went by fast this year. And now, what is this? Oh boy. So you guys got some time still to do some last minute stocking stuffers or gifts. This is coming from my good friends over at Corpertoys. Copper? I think so. Bada boom. 4-wheel drive. Oh boy. We get to do some off-roading today. So if you want to get some nieces and nephews, cousins, or kids, something small, this would be a really cool stocking stuffer. Just drop it in the stocking. And like I said, get these at a low cost. Save some money this year. Surprise. Everybody likes a surprise. Alright. Alright. So we got Copper. Oh. From it's like a dune buggy type. These are supposed to be really cool. Any age. Doesn't matter. Uh-oh, it's rolling. They see me rolling. Oh, these are things. Look at that. Got the drop. Let's see what it looks like. Bam. Their battery. You gotta just. Whoa. See that, yo? Anyway, we're gonna try it downstairs at full. Oh, I remember these are like kind of like when I was a kid that they used to have like these zip ties. You just shoot, and it would just shoot up. But you probably could go and get it. I was trying to get some tricks with it. Like, you know what I mean? If you go like this. Hey, got some wheels on it though. We're gonna run a rip downstairs. Oh yeah, just hopped over that. Scissors pretty easily. Nice front end, nice detailed. Paint job is really excellent. Kids will love this. Any kid would definitely appreciate this. Look at that inside detail. Dang. That's a baller edition. Definitely a cool little gift to give somebody that a little kid might like. Got the almost impossible to break, so definitely kid will have some hours of use out of this. Keep them distracted for a few, take a break, you know, watch some Netflix or something, whatever you adults do. Oh jeez. Well, it survived that one, so that was a pretty high jump. It's like one of those stunt doubles. Bam. But look at that though. Got some really nice detail to this. Alright, we're going for a crash landing. Maybe the globe will save it. Oop. Let's see if it does good on carpets. I'm sure it will, because pretty nice tires on these. Oh yeah, see, once you get it going, go sit down on the ground. How about that? Ready, set, go. Bam. So that was really cool. So check them out, YouTubers. Links will be down below. Get one at a low cost. Pick up a couple. If you guys got more than one kids to worry about. I'm sure they have different colors and other great toys for small children and up. So, I don't know. Have a good one. Be safe. And see you guys in the next video. See ya.